Good morning everyone. My name is Aarudhran Praveen. I am studying in 4th standard. I am from Ashtrix School of Robotics. When I was watching TV, I saw a bat moving around. I wondered how it was moving around. Then I found out that it was moving around with sound waves to detect objects. Then I got the idea of making a distance measurement tool using sound waves. It includes one USB cable, Arduino Uno board, jumper wires and ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor sends ultrasonic sound waves. When the sound wave goes and hits the object and comes back, the time taken for it to come back, I measured the time using which I can measure the distances. This is used in automated braking systems, automated door openers, parking assistance and machine vision. Thank you.